Hello, good morning. This is Rene Escamilla. I'm going to explain the class that we have early morning today at 9:15 a.m. to 10 p.m. 10 a.m. I'm sorry. Okay, so now the class that we explained early morning with fourth graders was read a map. Okay, I explained them the objectives and the way that how they are going to learn to read a map. So first of all, I explained to the class the points that you can see over here, which is map title, map key, instance map, which is are those are components that are helping to this class to understand a better way how your kids or you as students are going to comprehend a better way this lovely class. All right, so as you can see over here, we discuss what a locator is, a map scale, a compass rows, cardinals directions, and intermediate directions too. Okay, so we explain the topics or and the definitions as well, subtopics, I'm sorry, and definitions that we have over here. Besides that, I told the guys to comprehend and verify the objectives that we read before. So after they understood what a map tile, where is the map tile located, where the map key is, so I ask them about the the activity that we're supposed to complete in class, right? So questions are one, two, three, four, which is what cities can be found in a square B7. So let me explain this, how they are going to find out B7. I explained it that we have numbers and letters over here. We have numbers on the top from 1 to 7 and letters from A to D, I believe. A, B, C, D, E, yes. So the question, once again, is requiring to double check or comprehend that we are looking for B7. All right, so as I said before, we need to look for the letter B that is over here and number 7, right? So as I said before, on the top we have from number 1 until 7, number 7 as well. So which cities are located? So I explained them that we have, as you can see over here, we have Maine, we have Concord, Augusta, and some others over here. This one would be 7B. All right, that would be, B7. That would be basically the first question, the first answer. All right, the second would be in which directions would you travel to go from Phoenix, Arizona to Columbia, South Carolina? All right, so if you double check the map, of course, we're gonna double check first where it's located, uh, Phoenix, Arizona. All right, so as you can see, we have a Phoenix, Arizona around this area. All right, so at this moment, I can't show you properly where is Arizona, Phoenix, Arizona, but if you see, is right in the middle, right? So if we are looking for Columbia, let's see, South Carolina, Columbia, South Carolina. So we need to point, all right, the campus rows to this place, right? So that would be, according to our campus rows, according to this, we need to double check that we have those cities or that city north to the east, all right? South to the west, north to the east, south to the west. You need to verify, analyze which one would be the best answer, all right? So third questions about how many miles it is from Austin, Texas and Montgomery, Alabama. So you need to double check that situation based on the map too. All right, so that information was already explained to the kids, and the last question would be about how many miles is from Austin, Texas to Montgomery, Alabama. So pretty much you need to double check that situation with your map scale, all right? So remember, you need to verify the definition. The definition in this case says compares a distance on the map to a distance in the real world. it helps you find the real distance between places on a map. All right. I already explained how they are going to get those results by viewing or checking the map scale. All right. So I already double checked the information with them, and that was the class that we had today early morning. So we just had, I believe, basically we just had four students. All right. So if you guys or your parents need more information, don't hesitate, don't doubt. You can call me anytime, any moment. I'll be more than happy to provide the information, even though in English or Spanish. Thank you very much. Have a blessed rest of the day. Bye bye.